Once upon a time, in a bustling village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was known for his kindness and generosity. Every day after school, he would visit the village marketplace with his grandmother to buy groceries. One sunny afternoon, as Oliver and his grandmother walked through the market, they saw a small crowd gathered around a street performer. The performer was juggling colorful balls and entertaining everyone with his tricks. Oliver was captivated by the performance and stood there watching with a big smile on his face. After the show, the performer walked around with his hat, collecting coins from the audience as a token of appreciation. Oliver's grandmother reached into her purse and dropped a few coins into the hat. Oliver wanted to do the same, but when he checked his pocket, all he found was a single shiny coin his father had given him that morning. Oliver looked at the coin and thought about how much it meant to him. He could buy a delicious treat or a new toy with it. As he hesitated, the performer approached him with a warm smile, holding out his hat. Oliver looked up at him and without a second thought, dropped the coin into the hat. The performer's eyes widened in surprise and gratitude. "Thank you, young man. That's very generous of you," he said, patting Oliver gently on the shoulder. Oliver smiled shyly and nodded. His grandmother beamed with pride at her grandson's selfless act. As they walked home, Oliver felt a sense of happiness and warmth in his heart that he had never felt before. That night, as Oliver lay in bed, he thought about the coin he had given away. He realized that making someone else happy made him happier than any toy or treat ever could. From that day on, Oliver looked for opportunities to help others, whether it was sharing his toys with friends or helping his grandmother around the house. And so, Oliver learned a valuable lesson, that true happiness comes from giving and sharing with others. His small act of kindness not only made a difference to the performer but also brought joy and fulfillment into his own life. The people in the village soon began to admire Oliver for his kindness and generosity. He became an inspiration to other children, teaching them that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a big impact on the world around them. And so, Oliver and his shiny coin became a cherished memory in the village, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and the joy of giving. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.